Today we're going to be putting our spare back in our trunk after we've used it. I know some of you might be saying, oh, I've got an instruction sheet, and some of you might be saying, I lost my instruction sheet. So this is why we're going to do this for you, so you can figure out how to put your Mustang spare tire back in your car so it doesn't roll around and make noise. First thing you got to do is keep your jack open and place the arm like this, and then put the arm where it lines up with this hole right here. Then take this screw that's been provided, and it goes in on an angle. Screw it in. Okay. Next thing we'll do is we'll put the spare tire back in. Get it in the middle, and then we will take our cap and our holder, and you don't have to unscrew it all the way, just put it in there and hook it on there. And this little trick to help you, because you have to hold it at the top in order to spin it. Hold it up tightly. Secure that down. This is your tire iron. This side up. And then get your cap, which prevents your floor from being poked and a hole from going through the floor of your Mustang. Not really screwing in, to just lay on. Let's go get the floor. And that's how you correctly put your spare tire back in your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.